डीजीपी अंजनी कुमार ने रेलवे प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स, गवर्नमेंट रेलवे पुलिस और सेंट्रल एजेंसियों के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन मीटिंग मुनक्किद की, जिसका मकसद रेल मुसाफरीन के लिए बेहतर हिफाजती इंतजामात को यकीनी बनाना है। उन्होंने इस जिम्मन में मुख्तलिफ रेलवे उमूर और रेलवे पुलिस और लाइन ऑर्डर पर पुलिस के साथ तालमेल पर भी तबादला ख्याल किया।
All the officers for this coordination meeting from the Telangana Police, Shri Shivda Reddy, Additional DG, Railway and Road Safety will be coordinating the whole meeting. He will be supported by ADG Sanjay Jain, Additional DG Law and Order, DIG Intelligence Karthikeya. I also welcome Mr. Rajaram from the Railway Protection Force, supported by his team members, Devashmita Banerjee, SRP Sheikh Salima, Mala Reddy Narsaya, and Raghavendra Reddy. So I hand over the mic to Shivdar to carry on the proceedings.
Last time we had meeting in similar meeting in 2022 in May. Before that, the meeting was held on January 23rd, 2019. In the last 3 years, this is the third meeting that they are supposed to hold every 3 months, I think, as per the instructions. So, sir, before we start the discussion, and I request Mr. Rajaram Garu to present his presentation, followed by Salima's presentation in his PGR.
Sir, first of all, I would like to appreciate the cooperation given by Telangana Police in all our train operations. Last time we had a massive agitation of Agniveer at Secunderabad station. The whole of the state machinery, police GRP really bailed out the railways from the major destructions. So we again acknowledge the excellent job done by the police and the state government. We also give special thanks for that. Sir, we also appreciate the assistance provided personally by the then DG Saab